Hello everyone, this is Kushbu Turakya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share and review with you on one of my favorite product, that is the Body Shop Strawberry Shower Gel. Let us look at the product features. Immerse yourself in the fruity scent of strawberry as you lather up with soap-free body wash. This shower gel is perfect to nourish and envelop your skin in softness. I love strawberries. I just love the fragrance of it. Packaging comes as a plastic bottle and it costs for about Rs 345 for 250 ml of quantity. Check out for more variants and details on their website. Let us look at the benefits of it. Cleanses the skin, leaves skin feeling soft, it's leather rich, soap free, it has cold pressed strawberry seed oil, it has community trade honey from Ethiopia. It nourishes skin very well. Let us look at the steps to use this product. Wet your favorite loofah first. Take a coin sized of quantity on loofah. Since it's near to empty, will take a time to dispose. It is recommended to take soft loofah. Lather in the shower. Little quantity will go the longest way. Now rinse it well. Complete the routine by applying the body lotion or body butter. This is my all-time favorite product from the Body Shop. I have used many other products from the Body Shop including the tea tree range. I love the Body Shop products. I have emptied many shower gel bottles. I will repurchase it again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know about your experience of using this product in the comment section below. Till then, bye, take care and be safe. Peace.